how's everyone doing today? We're gonna be painting creepy clowns. I'm quite excited to do this look because I did like a little clowny kind of look before, but it was like too beautiful, you know? And now I'm excited to just like gruff it up a bit. Gruff is definitely not a word, I made it up. What is your favorite body paint that I have done thus far, friends in Twitch chat? Bulba? One of these days I should do like a proper Bulbasaur, like I think Jordan did one of like Ivysaur or something and it was really cute. Triss Marigold? Triss Marigold is one that I feel like I need to redo because I don't think I did her justice. And also Ciri. I think I need to redo my Ciri one too. Ooh, I haven't done Mystique either, but I should. I was going through some of my paints the other day and I was like, actually, some of these are pretty good. And then because I get like really bad imposter syndrome with body painting and sometimes I'm like, these are so crap, I hate them, and I feel like some kind of way about it. And then I was going through my paints the other day and I was like, I don't know why I give myself such a hard time. Some of them are really good. Right, I think I need to go downstairs and go take my makeup off them so that we can start working on the face. Say hi. Say hi. Alright, we're gonna work on the mouth. Or we're gonna work on the face. But I'm thinking of doing like a big, freaky smile, grin thing. Yeah, you know me, putting my Saturday night get up on, guys. Gonna hit the tune with my maddest, sexiest face makeup cap. This one is aptly named Clown White. Well, I'm basically halfway there, right? I mean, look at me. Am I disturbing you? I scare you? Sorry. Sometimes I ask myself, hey Djarii, why are you a clown? And I haven't really been able to come up with the answer yet. You're afraid? Don't be afraid, I'm not scary. I promise. You just might float away. The good way to know when you're done doing a canvas painting is when you get to the point when you're no longer adding value to the image, then that's when you stop. Is what you're adding actually benefiting the image, or is it just making it more of the same? Would any of you guys wear this for Halloween? I'm smiling, you can't see, but I am. For me, it's like rewarding to transform into something and then you guys see it and you're all like, wow, this is dope. Like, that's cool for me. Let me go pop the wig on. I need to pull all the hair out of the front though. Right, let me go pop this bloody lens in and then we'll wrap up. Thank you guys. I'm scaring Kim. Oh no, Kim, I'm sorry. This is like a really creepy look. Look at him cringe, ready?